What makes Florida an incredible place to manufacture is really the business-friendly climate that the state drives here. They bring and thrive on bringing new business in, but they don't forget who's here right now. They actually work with local businesses to make their life better as well. PGT Innovations has been in Florida going on our 42nd year. We were founded here just up the road in Venice. We went from porch enclosures to windows and doors. We actually became the first impact window resistant door to be produced in the state of Florida. Enterprise Florida and the state in general is very pro-business. The infrastructure, the state's constantly updating the road systems. We have over 120,000 miles of roads and infrastructure here in Florida. We're constantly innovating, constantly adding infrastructure, constantly making it easy to do business here in the state.
So Scotland plays a very important role in our supply chain industry. We are a trucking and logistics provider. We were founded in 2010, so it'll be 13 years now that we've been here headquartered in Fort Myers, Florida. Infrastructure is critical in the state. It's critical in every state, but Florida's infrastructure has been very robust, reliable. I think the road system's fantastic. Our experience working with the state has really been nothing but positive, from helping us secure funds or tax incentives to grow our business, also to ensure that we keep our headquarters here. We brought in a lot of high-paying jobs, and we've really expanded on that and created a lot of new jobs in the last 5-6 years. So we live in this fantastic state. It's easy to attract talent here from out of the state, but we're also finding a lot of homegrown talent. So our relationship with education programs, in particular, say Florida Gulf Coast University, it's been a great relationship. They have a supply chain program where we hire a lot of students from now. They brought us in to help develop the curriculum and really determine what the demand was. It's a fast-changing environment, and the students are coming out with incredible skills, great knowledge, and we can put them to work and teach them even more right away.
At PGT Innovations, we actually work with our local high school, and we bring in kids and we educate them. We put them by a mentor and we train them on different skills. This is an incredible place to work, and it's just not fun to work, it's actually business friendly to work. I've worked in a lot of different states over my career, and I can tell you to settle and end up here in Florida and work where people normally retire has been phenomenal. Whether it's the environment, the beaches, the easiness of living here, the roadways, the infrastructure, or it's just the tax environment, no state income tax. That's why you want your employee base here. It's easy to work here and they can actually enjoy their job and outside home life.